So I've just added 200 ml of hot water and roughly chopped the coconut cream, and you have to stir it till it's dissolved. Added a bit of salt, a bit of coconut cream with the water and the curry powder.
And what's this making? The paste for the chicken?
Yeah, to cook the chicken in. We add the 4 bits of chicken, cut it in this sauce.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Roughly cover it.
So what's in that sauce?
Curry powder and coconut cream, which I melted in this jug with hot water, and a bit of salt. That's all going in here. Okay, so this is the peanut butter sauce. We've got soy sauce gone in. Now it says chili flakes, only put a few in if you don't like really hot, because it makes it really hot. I think that's probably
I better
enough.
have just a few bits because I have a bit of a dodgy tummy if it's too hot.
Peanut butter.
Nice. I can smell that as well.
And it says you've got to make it to a thick custard consistency. Also, you've got to put in a spoon of sugar. Then you add the remaining coconut stock, and then you can have it in a custard consistency.
So that's your peanut butter
sauce,
yeah.
So to reach that custard consistency, it'll take about 15-20 minutes until it's reduced from this watery stock. So that's on a medium heat till we get a custard consistency, which will probably take about 15-20 minutes. And we've changed to a wooden spoon. So I'm just threading the chicken on the skewer just to cook them in the frying pan next. So do that with all 4.
So we've got 2 of these each.
Yeah. Well, they're actually quite big this time, aren't they?
Really good. So the rice is a brown rice, and you add that to the pot with plenty of cold water. Bring it to the boil over a high heat initially, and then once it's boiling, you reduce the heat to a medium and cook for 20 to 25 minutes until it's tender with a slight bite to it. And then when you've cooked it, you have to drain that and return it to the pot and keep it covered, which will keep it warm until you're ready to serve the meal.
So the chicken's in the pan now on the skewers, and it does say 4 to 5 minutes each side, but you've got to make sure, depending on the size of the chicken I suppose, there's no pink meat in there. The sauce is thickening up. It's not actually quite there yet, but it is getting there. So this is thickened now. I'd say that was custard-like.
Yeah, it's
So that's ready.
almost like toffee. Looks lovely. And the smell, by the way, you can smell the curry off the chicken, can't you?
Yeah.
You can smell the peanut butter from your custardy consistency over there. Now the rice is doing its business. So what we've got to do now is chop up some...
We've got to pickle the cucumber.
Pickle the cucumber. Let's get over there and do that.
Pickle cucumber. Cut it in half. Whoop. And then you have to scrape out the seeds. Like that.
Using a teaspoon.
Like that. You don't need that bit.
Smells good as well. I could eat that bit.
You just slice the cucumber. Pop it in the dish. Then add the spring onion. Just do it in little circles, I suppose. And you add the rice vinegar. Just in the dish. And give it a mix. And then just set it aside. And that's it done.
Nice little accompaniment.
So just drain the rice. Quite a lot of rice actually.
Got a lot of steam as well.
Alright, that's it.
And there you have it, folks. Looks good enough to eat. The chicken satay skewers with pickled cucumber. Nice one, Helen. Enjoy.